Okay, here we are assembling Swash Mobile from Alpha. This is the main structure, the main post structure. And the first thing we need to do here, I'm going to put this white behind me because this is a black piece of string on my black background, is string a piece of string in here. And you see there's two tabs right here. There's a die cut there. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap around that way. 1, 2, 1, 2. Has a loop, and through the little die cut right here. Hold it. You have to hold it in place. Put a little bit of glue on that tab. You want to glue the tab, the paper, and the thread. Do a loop and up through the die cut. Okay, so the goal is to have that string go right through the center of that cut there. Okay, hold that in place. Get that glued nicely. There's a little die cut slit right there. Wrap around once, twice. You want the string relatively tight. Make it tight. Because this is the string that all the pieces will hang on for the mobile. Come on, make it tight. There. Come on. There you go, tight. I'm gonna wrap around one more time. There. Okay, there's a loop. Okay. Trim your string. Oh wait, don't trim the string. Let the string hang out the top. You'll see why in a minute. All right, like that. That's what you want. You can trim the string down here. There you go. Now, glue the tube together, once again, only on the tab. Because you want to keep the tube structure hollow in the center. That's where the strength is. Hold that in place. All right. 30 seconds with a lot of pressure, hopefully. A lot of pressure. All right. Okay, now the base page has a slot in it right here in the center, right on the gutter. And with these pieces going towards the top, we're going to slide this piece. This is an angle fold piece. It has angle folds on both sides. Right there. Slide this up through the center here. And then go ahead and fold it up. Doesn't really matter how you fold it. Just get it folded up and out of the way. Okay. So remember, these are guides for assembling some of the swash pieces. So go ahead and put that into the slot in the center. And you want the scores to fit exactly on the gutter, and the apex of the angle folds on the second piece to be right on the gutter there too. Everything, that's the goal. Glue those in place. All right. Now the first piece here, on the left-hand side, you want the angle fold to push forward like this. And then fold this tab forward this direction. Okay. It can fold back too. It doesn't really matter how it folds. Okay, with everything closed. And remember, you want the apex of this angle fold to go right into the gutter there, or as close as possible. There's a lot of paper here, so the bulk might push it away a little bit, but all right. I'm going to flip it over. And now this is the top, like that. This is the top. And we want this piece to fold back. Okay, so now on the right-hand side, the angle fold piece folds towards the top or folds back. Okay. Fold the tab in that direction. Okay, glue it in place. 30 seconds, hold it tight. In the meantime, while that's drying, you can see that I've pre-assembled the collage pieces here. So I've glued all my pieces in place and I have my strings in place. Okay, so that's something to do before you assemble. All right. Okay, let's see where we are now. And you can see what these angle fold pieces do is they make a crossing pattern that that will lift up the structure. There you go. All right, and now the rest is simple. We're going to take these pieces. This is a purple piece, and you can see that that purple piece kind of matches that right there. This is a guide to show you where that purple piece goes, and you slip it in until it hits the fold right there. That's the position. So glue on both sides of this. You don't need a lot of glue, but it should be on both sides. All right. Put it in place here. Use the white piece as a guide. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but the white piece shows you where that goes. All right. One. The next piece is the large red. Okay, the swash goes up like this. Small amount of glue. And using the white piece as a guide, that goes into place there. Okay. Glue everything together nicely, just like that. All right, the very top piece is the blue piece, and that swash goes up. Okay. Once again, using the white as a guide, that's the position right there. All right, our next step is to insert the mobile pieces. All right, so we have one piece that's going to go in from this direction. And they go in different angles. So this piece is going to go in from the left back. Get some glue on here. And this glues to the string, so you want to make sure there's a little bit of glue right in the very center there, because you want it to glue to the string. Okay, so slip these two pieces in, one on either side of the string. Okay, and then you want it to sit right in basically the center of that space. Glue to the string. Okay, you see I have the pieces of string in place. In a few minutes, we're going to glue some of the little dots onto that. Okay, my next piece here is a black piece here. It's this simple black piece. It doesn't have much on it. Okay, this swash drops down like this. All right. Glue, glue, glue. Get some good glue in the center so it glues to the string. Okay. And we're going in from the left-hand side again, like this. Remember to put the string on, or the two pieces on either side of the string, and glue that into this space here, second space from the bottom. Get some nice, pinch that really good and tight. Okay. All right, next, what do we have here? Okay. This is the pre-assembled piece. This is the collaged piece. I'm going to assemble this from the right-hand side and put some glue in the center, all the way across, so you know there's glue in the center of this piece. And this one's a little bit tricky because we not only do we have to put the piece through, but this tipped-on piece, these tipped-on pieces, these collaged pieces have to go through. So pushing it through like that, around like that, okay. And then two pieces are going to go into this top slot. So assemble this one towards the bottom of that space, right there. Hold everything in place. Make sure you glue it really well to the string. Okay. And finally, this is the large top piece. There's a lot of string here, so we have to make sure you don't glue the strings inside between the pieces. Okay. Run glue all along this edge, all along that edge. Okay, we're going to insert this from the left-hand side with these pieces in this direction. So this swash curves down. And this is a bit tricky. There it goes. All the way through. And remember to put the two black pieces on either side of the string. And you see we have a lot of strings in place here. So let me see, right about there's the center. Right here. You see how that is. And hold these pieces together. Okay, we're almost there. Get that glued nice and tight. Okay, now remember the pieces of string that came from the very top, or that came through the center post, and I left it in place. That's because we're going to glue this yellow piece on the very top, tippy top there, and let it sort of move around a little bit. There you go. Snip that thread. Okay, like this. Now we can start just gluing basically the ornaments on. This black piece has the large red one, goes onto the very top black piece. Right there, that string. And it doesn't really matter where it hangs. It can hang low, it can hang high. I'm going to take it a little bit lower so that it drops down below the yellow and pink piece right there. Okay, give a little snip there. That's one hanging piece. You can trim the string at the very top of the black piece there too. We don't need that anymore. Okay, this is this black piece with red. It goes on like that. And we're going to hang that on the second string, hanging from the very black top swash. Okay, and this is tricky too, because I want you to leave a little bit of string at the coming all the way through. You'll see why in a second. Okay, there we go. The black piece is glued on right there. Okay, how that works. The small purple piece then hangs on that string. So you see how that works? Okay, snip that string. We're finished with that one. This yellow piece will hang off the string that's coming from the red circle. Right there. Trim those, snip, snip. Okay, a few more pieces and we're finished. Now down the very bottom, the blue swash has a yellow decoration. One. That will go down here like that, hanging on the bottom of the blue piece. On top of that is a little bit of purple. Okay, that's how that, there we go, that's how that should look. Snip that off. And finally, on the other side of the blue piece, we have a green square. And the very last piece is the pink piece. So the green square hangs on the bottom side of the blue swash, and the pink square is on the top side. Okay, right here. So that should look like that. Snip the strings and you are finished. There we go. Swash Mobile.